guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this Louis Vuitton bag from coeebags. You guys may have seen me work with them in the past. They are an online replica company that does dupes basically of the high quality designer bags out there. So on their website I did pick out this super cute denim Louis Vuitton bag for the spring and summertime. I've seen that denim is back trending and I needed a denim bag in my collection because I don't have one, and this is super cute. They had a few different options of denim bags on their website, plus a whole other selection of items and other designers on there as well. And plus I will have a discount code for you guys in the description box to save some money off of your purchase. But without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. And I am filming in the bathroom because it's such a dark, gloomy day and the only lighting is in here. So yeah, so let's get into it. So this is the box that it comes in. Super cute. You know, give you that experience of I just shopped at Louis Vuitton. You get your dust bag. It also comes with like an extra strap that was included and like a note. It also has like the quote-unquote receipt, and then a bag if you wanted to have it in like a shopping bag. So let's get into the unboxing. This bag is so cute. I've always liked working with them because their quality of purses is so nice. Like they mirror the quality of the real thing. So this is my little bag for the spring/summer. It is so cute. Look how adorable this bag is. A little shoulder bag. I thought this was so cute when I saw it on the site. So cute. I'm gonna look like a little hot mom this summer, pushing around my stroller with my baby. You guys, I'm a little ashy right here, don't mind that. I'm gonna look like a little hot mom with my stroller and pushing around my baby with my mom bag. But yeah, so you can pop this open, and here's the inside. It has like a little pocket area right here. You can put a little bit of something, and then you open it up. There's another little compartment back here, and it says Louis Vuitton on the tag, and then you have some space on the inside as well. Like super cute bag. The material doesn't feel cheap. The actual clasp on here feels nice and secure. Let me see how you put that back on here. Just slide it through and it clicks in. Like super cute, you guys. This is perfect for the spring/summer. Like if you are looking for a bag and you've been wanting a denim number, check out coeebags because this is super cute. I love like the monogram of the LV all over here, and then you even see the details of LV on here up close. If you'll focus in, there you go. And then around here on the strap. So it's really cute, y'all. I can't wait to wear this. I'm gonna do a side-by-side so you guys can see what it looks like on. But yeah, this is the bag. And like I said, they have a bunch of other bags on their site, so make sure you do check them out, and I will have a discount code as well. This is so cute. Okay guys, this is the bag. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.